Hello, Barbara and Mojica here. Welcome back to Trivia Tuesday Challenge. 5 trivia questions in 2 minutes. This is week 6. The answers to last week's questions. Question number 1. How many wars did Intrepid fight in? The USS Intrepid fought in 4 wars. The World War II, Vietnam War, Cold War, and the War on Terrorism after 9/11. Question number 2. What is Intrepid's motto? The motto is "In mare uncielo," which translates to "in the sea, in the sky." Question number 3. Alonzo Swan was the African-American gunner who fought in the segregated unit and received honors for staying at his station during a kamikaze attack. He received a Bronze Star, which was later upgraded to the Navy Cross 50 years later. Question number 4. Who saved Intrepid from the scrap heap? It was a retired admiral, Admiral Zachary Fisher, who spent $24 million of his own money to rescue the ship. And the last question. What is the Explorium? The Explorium is an interactive exhibit hall which allows visitors to experience what life would have been like on the ship. Today's topic is Ellis Island. Question number 1. How many Americans can trace their ancestry through immigrants who came through Ellis Island? Question number 2. What are 2 nicknames for the island? Question number 3. How many questions do the immigrants who came through Ellis Island have to answer? Question number 4. Name 1 famous immigrant who worked at Ellis Island. And the last question. What is the nickname for the south side of Ellis Island today? You can find these questions in my book, Little Miss History Travels to Ellis Island, or you can scour the internet. I hope you'll check out all of my books at littlemisshistory.com and subscribe to this channel for notices of new trivia challenge and other educational videos. Bye for now. Happy hunting.